Most people today aren't weak, they're overstimulated. They wake up already reacting to messages, headlines, notifications, expectations. By the time the day has started, their nervous system is already compromised. They call this being engaged, but it isn't engagement, it's loss of control. Most people today aren't weak, they're overstimulated. They wake up already. Power does not look like constant motion, it looks like stillness that can move but doesn't have to. Inner power is becoming rare, and because it's rare, it's becoming valuable again. We live in a culture that rewards expression, say everything, show everything, react immediately. But expression isn't power. In fact, compulsive expression is often the opposite. It's a symptom. If something can pull a reaction out of you on demand, an insult, a comment, a look, a message, then it has power over you. Most people believe they're choosing how they feel. They aren't. Their environment is choosing for them. Inner power is not dominance, it's not charisma, and it's not emotional numbness. Inner power is capacity, the capacity to feel pressure without collapsing, the capacity to experience emotion without obeying it, the capacity to remain steady while others escalate. The Stoics understood this, not as something to quote, but as something to train. They distinguish between what happens, 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 they distinguish between and what they add to what happens. That difference is where power lives. In a noisy world, the calm person stands out immediately, not because they demand attention, but because they don't need it. When you don't push to explain yourself, when you don't defend every feeling, when you don't leak emotion constantly, people feel it, not as intimidation, as gravity. Power that needs noise is fragile. Power that lives quietly lasts. This channel is about cultivating that kind of power. This is the unreactive mind. Power. Thanks for watching.